So students, let's have a look at the Russian Revolution through my PowerPoint presentation. The causes of Russian revolutions were political causes, that is, the autocratic rule of Tsar Nicholas II was under the influence of his wife Alexandra and Rasputin. No importance was given to Duma. The peoples were having very limited rights and freedom. No welfare measures were adopted by Tsar to promote the interest of the common masses. Then social causes. The society was divided into two classes, have classes and have not classes. Nobles, feudal lords, industrialists belongs to have classes, and the peasants, laborers, serfs, they belongs to have not classes. The condition of have not classes were very miserable and unsatisfactory, and this created a situation for class struggle in Russia. Then economic causes were also equally important. Most of the industries were privately owned. The workers' working hour was very long, that is ranging from 10 to 15 hours. Their wages was very low. Technological unemployment was there among the workers. Most of the land were under the control of the landlords and nobles. The farmers, majority of the farmers were landless. They don't have the land of their own. They were forced to work on the land of other. Then influence of Marxism was also there. People were greatly influenced by the philosophy of Karl Marx, who advocated overthrow of capitalism and the rule of private property. He favored the construction of such type of society where all the persons are regarded on the ground of equality, where all the property is controlled not by any one person but by the whole government. He stand for the dictatorship of proletariat. That means where the poor people, where the laborers, where the farmers would rule over the country, and there will be no have and have not classes in such society as was propagated by Karl Marx in his book Das Kapital. See, then the formation of political party, I think we have discussed in one of my video also, formation of political parties. So no need to discuss further. Then revolution of 1905 also played a very important role. In fact, revolution of 1905 was considered to be a dress rehearsal of the major revolution of 1917. On 22nd January 1905, Father Gregory Gapon led the procession of the workers, and they were fired upon by the royal crowds. 100 workers were killed, 300 were more than 300 were wounded. Afterwards, strike took place all over the country. The people started making a demand for the creation of Duma, and finally Tsar was forced to create Duma. So we can say that Duma was the result of the revolution of 1905, and this was the first major attempt made by the people of Russia to control the power of Tsar. Then First World War was very important factor. We know that Russia participated in the First World War. Russia suffered heavy losses. 16 to 18 lakh Russian soldiers were killed in the war. 20 lakh became prisoners. Large scale destruction of crops and buildings in Russia took place. Industries were rapidly disintegrated in Russia. Shortage of raw materials was experienced in Russia. Shortage of labor was felt in Russia because most of them were sent to the front to fight the war. First World War could be considered as the immediate cause of the Russian Revolution of 1917. Then just when the World War was going on, February Revolution started in Russia. Women led the strikes. Lockout took place at the factories, particularly in Moscow and St. Petersburg. On 25th February, government suspended the Duma. The Duma members also joined the revolutionaries. The people raising the slogans about bread, wages, better hours, democracy. The worst thing for Tsar was that the soldiers also joined the revolutionaries because they were also fed up with the rule of Tsar. And finally, we find that the February Revolution was successful and a new provisional government was formed in Russia under the leadership of Alexander Kerensky, who has provided the freedom of speech and press. New constituent assembly was declared to be formed Many political prisoners were released. Adult franchise was declared. But this provisional government could not last for a longer period of time in Russia. It lasted only for 5 to 6 months.